Alright guys, I'm back with another video. This is just a small tool haul here. It's just two little items, but I thought y'all might want to see them. Anyway, the first one is a little quick change adapter for my grinder. I seen it on another video. I thought it'd be pretty handy to have. It's a little thing that you just screw on. It's got a wing nut type of deal on it. Once you tighten it up, you just flip it down to hold the grinding disc on the grinder. That'd be pretty handy. All right, next thing is wrenches. Finally got me some more Capri wrenches, or the 0 degree offset wrenches is what I'm trying to say here. I've had these for about a week. It's been killing me to open them, but I wanted to do a video on it, so here we go. Let's see if I can get this here thing open. I know CP has some that I think he's gonna give away, but I went ahead and picked me up a set. I used to have a set of snap-on ones, but situations happened and I sold a bunch of my stuff to help a friend. So anyway, I'm slowly getting the stuff back. Not snap-on, but supposedly these are almost as good. I haven't even seen them yet, so let's take a look at them. Yeah, so far I think they're made in Taiwan, but these look pretty good, to be honest with you. They look just as good as the snap-on ones. I mean, I haven't used them yet. I just opened them, so I don't really know, but they look fairly good. I don't know if you can see that there. I don't know if that's the right way or not. Yeah, that's the right way. It's Capri 14 and 15. The only thing I don't like about them is they go 8, 9 on each wrench. They go 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And then when it gets to 16, they go 16 and 18 and 17 and 19. I don't really like that. They should go 16, 17, and then 18 and 19. I'm sure they have a reason, but I've never liked them skipping sizes around like that. Here's the 17 and 19. They're pretty freaking long too. They're kind of awesome, really. I can't wait to actually put them to some use and see how they hold up, and see if I can't compare them to the snap-on ones I used to have. They're pretty awesome. I don't see any defects in the chrome or anything. I'm pretty impressed. I mean, this is not a tool review. It's just it's not a review of how they are being used. It's just my first impression of them, I guess you would say. Anyway, so far they look pretty good. They came in this little wrench pouch, which I'm not going to use. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. I'm just going to put these in my toolbox over there, the big boy, if I can find room in there. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you'd like, you could leave me some comments down there and to tell me how these things hold up, if anybody has them and has put them to some use. And comment, share, like, subscribe, all that good jazz. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.